everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to those who are new here. So today's card's going to be mostly quick. I'm going to use the Gnome Drive sentiments from Spellbinders for my sentiment today. I'm also going to be using Spellbinders deckled rectangles in the large, just as a background. I'm using the largest one. And then we're also going to be using the, not that one, you tell I'm organised, the Gnome Drive holiday. So we're basically making this sort of thing today. So I've put everything together, of course, beforehand, just to save a bit of time. So I have a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 or a 4 1/4 by 11 inch scored at 5 1/2 card, so standard A2 card. This is just a white base for the card, and yeah, so we'll use that in a minute. Then what I have is my deckled edge, if I can get it, is just this little panel. Now this is a smallish piece, but it measures about 3 by 4, but it's got this cool edge to it, which I thought would be nice. And I just wanted white on white. I wanted to keep this real simple, so that's what we've got there. And then I put my little guys and girls together. So this is the little car. I put them together. I went more with a tone on tone, so that's why it's got blue wheels. It was also the first one I put together, so hence why it's also got blue wheels, but we're going to go with it. And then there's the little Santa Gnome with his cute little outfit on. The feet you don't actually see, so you know. And then a little white and gold present, and the little tree. The tree doesn't come with decorations, which is kind of nice because it means you can just do what you like with it. You can have like a whole row of these and have him in the middle with a bunch of presents. You can create like a little scene like that. But I'm going to use it with the car kind of as it comes, and we'll get these things stuck on. So what I'm going to do first is figure out where I want my car, and then I will start to add in these guys, kind of like that. So I think he's going to go about there. The present will then sit in underneath him, and the tree, etc. So let's see. So that's that part done. Now we're going to add it to the card base, but before we add it in there, I want to stamp my sentiment, or sentiments. I have two. So the first one reads, cruising by to say. I think it's so funny. And I'm going to aim that there. So cruising by to say. And then it says Merry Christmas. Super cute. Merry Christmas. So that's where that will then just sit like so. Right, so excuse my head in case it gets in the way. Just going to pop this on here. Now you could be done just like that, cute card and all that, but we're not. And I can't help myself. Let me just close that. So I have a variety of Nouveau things here. Right, I have some. Well, I have some glossy accents, which is like a 3D glossy accent. It's like a dries real clear, so very nice. And that's from Ranger. And then I have some Nouveau glitter drops in honey gold, white blizzard, and in midnight sky. And the reason I picked these colours is because we've got a blue, green, gold kind of thing going on here. So I thought the blue, the gold, and the other colours would make for nice accents on the tree and that. So if you do that, it kind of, there's one little debris here that's not quite settling the way I want it to, but you get the idea. I feel like I need one there, but I can't get into it. So we're going to leave it like that. Not very evenly spaced, but you know. And there you go, guys. So super simple. Yes, the die cutting takes a little bit of time, and so does putting it together, but once you've got all your pieces, you know, you can just do this and decorate and make a cute simple card. It's almost a one layer, but not quite, and it's also a very clean line, especially for me. It's very clean and simple. So I hope you've enjoyed this, guys, and until next time, bye for now.